Today we are going to demonstrate how to set a toilet. Begin by shutting off the water supply and draining all the water from the tank and bowl. Remove the old bolts at the base of the toilet and then lift and remove the toilet. Next, if messy wax was used on the last install, you will need to remove this with a putty knife. Now install your KorkyWaxFREE seal. This seal replaces the outdated wax technology and won't freeze or melt. The Korky seal is also adjustable for any flange height by easily removing the foam rings. Attach the new brass bolts. Place the seal on the flange and then reset the toilet. This seal allows for an easy placement of your toilet and is great for multiple setting attempts if you don't get it just right the first time. Traditional wax only allows for one setting attempt. Now, turn on the water supply and your install is complete. For a clean and easy install, use the KorkyWaxFREE seal.